Welcome back, YouTubers and my fellow DIYers. This is a 2014-2015 Mercedes C-Class 250. We're doing the rear brakes and rotors on this car. Tools you're going to need: Torx 30, 7mm, 18mm wrench, and obviously your new rotor, and a screwdriver. Screwdriver back here behind the caliper. I already have it off. Pop off these plastic caps. It's going to be these two 7mm nut retaining bolts that holds the caliper onto this bracket right here. This bracket holds the caliper onto the unit itself. Behind here is 18mm bolts, two of them, that holds the bracket on. I tried getting it with the ratchet, but it wouldn't fit, so I had to use a wrench. So I'm telling you guys, word of advice: use a wrench. Bracket comes off, then you get your Torx 30, loosen up this bolt right here that holds the rotor onto the whole unit. Take off the rotor. There's the brakes. There's your parking brake. Now's your chance to do your parking brake and adjust it. Here's the adjusting spring if you want to. Just by looking at it, the parking brake looks great. There's nothing, I don't see any cracks, heat, nothing like that. It looks good to me. What I like to do when I finish, put little anti-seize everywhere, you know, in between the threads. So, like I said, anti-corrosive, trying to prevent corrosion and things sticking in the future. Then you want to go ahead and just put your rotor back on and reverse the process. Nut, 18mm in the back holding your bracket. This piston right here is not a twist. It is not a twist and push style. It's a regular compression style. If you guys can see, it works so easy. I just press it back. It's already maxed out. Behind here you got your brake sensor. Just plug it into your new brakes again. Be careful not to break this plastic and metal piece. Other than that, thank you for joining me. I appreciate the views. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What I did right now is I used the brake pad itself. I turn it over and I just use it as a press. Shove it here, push up against the piston itself, and just tighten it. That's it. Happy wrenching. Stay safe. Thank you.